In this lecture, we will examine the impact of word choice, tone, and articulation on delivering messages effectively. Communication is more than just speaking. It involves clarity, intention, and the ability to connect with an audience. Choosing the right words, using the correct tone, and articulating with precision can transform the way a message is received. Objectives of the lecture. In this lecture, you will learn how word choice affects the clarity and impact of communication, the role of tone in shaping how a message is interpreted, techniques for improving articulation to enhance spoken communication, the impact of word choice. Dale Carnegie in The Art of Public Speaking states, "Words are the tools with which we communicate ideas, and the clearer and more vivid the words, the stronger the impact." Choosing the right words ensures that a message is not only understood, but also persuasive and engaging. Mortimer J. Adler, in How to Speak, How to Listen, explains that the effectiveness of communication lies in precision. Unclear or ambiguous language weakens a message and may lead to misinterpretation. The best communicators avoid vague expressions and instead use words that are direct, concise, and tailored to the audience. Words shape perception and influence reactions. A single word can carry different meanings depending on its context. For example, saying affordable instead of cheap suggests quality, while firm instead of stubborn conveys strength. The way language is framed can determine whether a message inspires confidence or doubt. Ways to improve word choice. Use precise and descriptive words. Avoid jargon or overly technical terms unless necessary. Consider the audience's background and familiarity with the topic. Choose words that evoke the intended emotion or response. Replace negative phrasing with constructive alternatives to encourage open dialogue. The role of tone in communication. Tone conveys attitude, emotion, and intent. Darlene Price, in Well Said, explains, "Tone is the bridge between words and meaning. It dictates whether a message is perceived as friendly, authoritative, or dismissive. Tone influences how listeners react, and a mismatched tone can cause confusion or even conflict." Carnegie also highlights that an enthusiastic tone can breathe life into a message, while a dull, monotone delivery can weaken even the most well-crafted words. A speaker's tone should align with the purpose of their communication. Beyond enthusiasm, tone reflects sincerity. A warm, inviting tone fosters engagement, while an abrupt or cold delivery can create distance. Tone is especially significant in written communication, where vocal inflection is absent. Emails, for example, can be misinterpreted if a message sounds too blunt or impersonal. Factors that shape tone. Volume. Speaking too softly may signal hesitation, while speaking too loudly may seem aggressive. Pitch. A varied pitch keeps an audience engaged and avoids monotony. Pace. Speaking too quickly can overwhelm listeners, while speaking too slowly may lose their attention. Inflection. Emphasizing certain words can change the meaning of a sentence and highlight key points. The power of articulation. Articulation refers to the clarity and effectiveness with which words are spoken. Irina Nikitina, in Successful Public Speaking, explains that mumbling, slurring words, or speaking too fast diminishes credibility. Well-articulated speech is easy to understand and commands attention. Carnegie advises, pronounce words distinctly, use pauses effectively, and avoid filler words that dilute the message. Clear articulation ensures that every word carries weight and meaning. Poor articulation can result in misunderstandings. If a speaker mumbles or speaks too fast, the audience may miss key information. Slowing down and enunciating words ensures that listeners grasp the message. Strategic pauses also enhance clarity, giving listeners time to process information. Ways to improve articulation. Speak at a moderate pace to allow words to be understood. Enunciate each syllable clearly, especially in longer words. Use pauses strategically to emphasize key points. Avoid unnecessary filler words such as like, and you know. Practice reading aloud and recording speeches to identify areas for improvement.